Hi folks, this is Roderick Cable with Deckwise. I'm the marketing director here, and today we're going to talk about our Hardwood Wrench Jr. It's our newest deck board building tool. It's economical, it's lightweight, it is superb. What we're talking about today is moving the handle. This is our typical setup here. However, if we're against a wall and we're in a tight spot, this handle will hit the wall, so we need to move that handle. And what we're going to do is we're going to take some of these bolts out and we're going to rearrange this handle so the handle's facing the other way instead of coming this way. We still have the rotating cam, the dog leg, and everything works great. So we're going to take a 1/2 inch opened in wrench and a 3/8 inch Allen key, and we're going to take some of these off. We're going to show you exactly how to do it. It's pretty easy. Okay, so now we have the handle in the other direction. This again is for our tight spots. All we need to do is come back in here, put the wrench on the joists, find our sweet spot to pushing that board in, and we're gonna rotate that cam and our handle's out of the way if we're in a tight spot. So again, we'll be working from that angle, and we've got the handle in the proper position to get into tight spots. So thanks a lot for watching today. Look for other Deckwise products this year in 2024. We'll see you later.